One of the things that I found shocking as a physical therapist was realizing how different the care was for someone after a knee replacement versus someone after a C-section. I could guarantee that a person would see a physical therapist in the hospital twice a day, could see them at home, and probably see them in the first 2 weeks within the clinic. After a C-section, where there's so much demand on that person to care for their baby, to care for themselves, they're not even given the support, the instruction to get in and out of a bed that's flat, that's without rails, how to heal their incision, how to protect their incision if they're coughing, if they're getting up and down throughout the night. There's just not enough support. As a physical therapist, I teach occupational therapists, doulas, other physical therapists to provide this support early on in the hospital, not just after a C-section, but after any major pelvic surgery, and especially after any birth experience. As a pelvic health consultant, you do not need a degree or a special certification to be the point person, just like a doula would for someone who's gone through a major change in their body. What you do need is to have guidance on how to communicate with so many members of a healthcare team and bring that hospital system outside into the community. As a pelvic health consultant, you have the skills and the knowledge to be the point of care person for anyone after any major abdominal or pelvic surgery. You can be the liaison, the go-to between them and any member on their care team. You can create a care team and a system in your own community that provides the services that we so often overlook as being important for that person. People after major abdominal surgery are often given support from an occupational or physical therapist in the hospital. But after a C-section or a hysterectomy, we often do not give that same support to someone before sending them home. You have the ability to change this. You don't need to be a provider. You need to be a voice.